Hello everyone! We're Team Be the Noob, and we're thrilled to present our hackathon project, TextMind. A lightweight, intelligent text analysis tool that delivers deep insights, entirely offline, in just 400 lines of code and 8 variables. Our tagline says it best: powerful text intelligence, complete privacy. Let's see how we built a fully capable tool that respects simplicity and privacy. Today, we're surrounded by text. Think of research papers, long PDFs, endless email chains, customer reviews, chat logs, and online articles. We're drowning in information. Every day, people ask simple but time-consuming questions. What is this document about? Can you summarize it quickly? What's the overall tone? Where is this keyword mentioned? The problem: most tools that can help are online, expensive, or too complex. This is the gap we wanted to solve: a simple, private, intelligent text analyzer that anyone can use. When we looked at the current landscape, we noticed two extremes. On one side, we have cloud-based tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini. They're brilliant, but they send your data online, require the internet, and often cost money. On the other side, we have traditional NLP libraries like Spacey, NLTK, or Transformers. They're powerful but heavy, with 50+ MB installations and a steep learning curve. So we asked ourselves, why isn't there a lightweight, privacy-first, offline tool that just works? That's where TextMind was born. Introducing TextMind, offline text intelligence in your pocket. Built to operate under extreme engineering constraints, only 400 lines and 8 variables, yet powerful enough to analyze tone, summarize content, and extract data like a pro. No APIs, no internet, no cloud, just pure intelligence that runs directly on your device. It works with .txt, .pdf, .docs, and .md formats, making it both versatile and private. Let's see how powerful simplicity can be. TextMind is a complete offline intelligence suite. Let's explore what it can do. Use Summary to get a quick one-paragraph summary capturing the essence of any document. Need a more detailed breakdown? Try Summary Detailed for section-wise summaries that cover up to 40% of content. For full insights, the Report command gives you a beautiful, structured intelligence report, complete with metrics, tone, and key topics. You can also analyze sentiment with tone, or isolate all positive or negative sentences using positive and negative. Need to prepare for a debate? The Debate command separates pros and cons and gives you argument balance percentages. And for data scientists, you can export results to JSON using Export JSON or extract ML-ready features with Export ML. All of this from one single Python file. Let's look at TextMind in action. A single command like Python TextMind document.pdf gives you a quick summary in seconds. Want more depth? Python TextMind research.pdf, summary detailed for detailed summaries. Need sentiment? Python TextMind reviews.txt, tone. Or explore document balance with debate. Every command works instantly, even without internet. TextMind's impact extends across domains. Students and researchers can summarize and extract key insights from papers, even in offline libraries. Journalists can analyze interviews, find key quotes, and detect tone. Small businesses can analyze customer feedback without paying for cloud APIs. Privacy-conscious professionals can process legal or medical documents safely. Even developers and educators can use it as a transparent NLP learning tool. Beyond analysis, TextMind integrates seamlessly with AI. It exports structured ML datasets, 27 normalized features across linguistic, sentiment, bias, topic, document, and debate categories. That means you can directly train models, classify text, or generate insights, all from your offline output. It bridges human-readable insights with machine learning-ready data. TextMind follows a zero-trust, privacy-by-design approach. All operations happen locally. No API calls, no data uploads. It's perfect for handling confidential data like legal documents, medical records, and financial reports. Fully compliant with GDPR and HIPAA principles, your text never leaves your system. In terms of performance, TextMind is unmatched. It processes 1,000 words in under a second and 10,000 words in under 5, while using less than 50 megabytes of memory. Its entire codebase is just 15 kilobytes. It runs on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, even Raspberry Pi, truly portable intelligence. When compared to others, TextMind clearly wins. It's offline, private, free, fast, and explainable. While others need APIs or huge dependencies, TextMind runs instantly, as one file. Its sweet spot: fast, private, educational, and practical. For academia, TextMind helps in literature reviews, bias detection, and thesis writing. It provides transparent algorithms, so students learn NLP concepts without black box models. For businesses, it analyzes customer reviews, competitor content, and compliance documents. It extracts trends, identifies risks, and saves thousands in NLP costs. Now, let's see TextMind live in action. First, let's see what commands are available. I'll run the help command. As you can see, TextMind supports multiple file formats: text, Markdown, PDF, and Word documents. And look at all these options. We have summarization in 2 sizes, sentiment analysis, debate analysis, keyword search with highlighting, and even ML-ready data exports. Alright, let's dive in. First up, let's get a quick summary of our document. And just like that, TextMind gives us a concise 1-paragraph summary of the entire document. This extracts about 15% of the most important sentences while maintaining the natural flow of the text. Notice the helpful tip suggesting we can use other commands for more detailed analysis. Speaking of which, let's check out the detailed summary option. The detailed summary extracts about 40% of the document and organizes it into 2 to 3 well-structured paragraphs. This is perfect when you need a more comprehensive understanding without reading the entire document. Now, let's see the real power of TextMind. Let me run the full intelligence report. Wow! Look at all this intelligence extracted from our document. First, we get complete document statistics: 127 sentences, 2,627 words, with a 33% word diversity score. It even estimates reading time at about 9 minutes. The sentiment analysis shows this is a predominantly neutral document at 69%, with some negative content at 24%. Notice those beautiful visual progress bars. Word intelligence reveals the top 10 keywords. Security appears 55 times, clearly the dominant topic. And look at these rare impactful words TextMind discovered: aligning, framework, establishing. Here's our extractive summary that maintains the narrative flow. Bias analysis shows this is highly objective writing at 90%, exactly what you'd expect from a technical security document. The semantic fingerprint gives us linguistic features: 66% lexical density, average word length of 7.6 characters, and vocabulary richness of 47%. And finally, topic distribution shows 71% technical content, confirming this is a deeply technical document. Next, let's focus specifically on sentiment with the tone command. Simple and clean. 9 positive sentences, 30 negative, and 88 neutral. This gives us a quick snapshot of the document's emotional balance. Now, here's something really powerful: debate analysis. Let's see the document from a pro versus con perspective. Excellent. TextMind automatically separates the arguments. We can see the debate balance is 23% positive arguments versus 77% negative. Here are all the positive arguments. And here are all the negative arguments. This is incredibly valuable for debate preparation, understanding multiple perspectives, or identifying balanced versus one-sided content. Let's try something different. What if we want to find every mention of a specific word? Let's search for security. Amazing! TextMind found 43 occurrences of the word security throughout the document. Notice how the keyword is highlighted in yellow and bold, making it instantly visible in each sentence. This is perfect for research, finding specific information, or understanding how a concept is used throughout a document. Each occurrence is numbered and shows the complete context, so you never lose track of where the keyword appears. And now, for the grand finale, let's export a machine learning-ready dataset. Incredible! TextMind has generated a production-ready ML dataset with 27 normalized feature vectors. It automatically classified this as negative sentiment with strong confidence, objective writing style, medium complexity, and technical content. And it's ready to be fed directly into scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, XGBoost, or even BERT and transformer models. Let's look inside this ML export. Here are the 27 normalized features organized into 6 groups: linguistic features, sentiment features, bias features, topic features, document features, and debate features. All values are normalized between 0 and 1, perfect for machine learning models. We get 7 categorical labels ready for supervised learning: sentiment primary, sentiment strength, writing style, debate position, complexity level, dominant topic, and content type. The training dataset section includes the full text, all sentences, and most importantly, labeled positive, negative, and neutral sentence examples. This is gold for training sentiment analysis models. Top keywords with both raw and normalized frequencies. Complete raw statistics for reference. And look at this, a complete ML usage guide. It recommends specific models for different tasks, provides feature engineering tips, and outlines 6 different use cases like sentiment analysis, content classification, and readability scoring. This is a complete, production-ready machine learning dataset generated from a single command. Let's talk numbers. TextMind, 400 lines of code, 8 variables, sub-second processing, and 15 kilobytes in size. It performs over 10 analysis types and extracts 27 milliliters features across 4 formats. Potential impact: 100 million students, 500 million small businesses, and countless privacy-conscious users worldwide. In a $10 billion NLP market, TextMind stands out as the only offline, constraint-engineered, open-source solution. Want to try TextMind? It's simple. Clone the repo, run command, and start exploring. You can export data, contribute improvements, or even integrate it into your own tools. Visit our GitHub and join the TextMind community. Thank you for watching. TextMind is more than a project. It's a proof that great software isn't about adding more, it's about doing more with less. Smart, private, and powerful, that's TextMind. We're Team Be the Noob, and we hope you'll join us in building a smarter, more private world of text intelligence.